ಮತ್ತೇನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? We have discussed about various methods of preparation of benzene, correct? Yes. So as I have mentioned yesterday, we'll continue our discussion with the reaction part. Okay, I have given one homework, one question I have given. How many of you have written? Just on your own, you just read your answer. If you want to share, you can share and show me. Is it possible here to show your answer? ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ. ಹಲೋ, yes, very good ma. I cannot, now it went. Just show me once again. Just show me. Kavya. ನೋಡ್ದೆ. What about others? What about others? ತೋರ್ಸು. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ನಿನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಯಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ. now I can. Now it went. Okay, just read whatever you are written. Just read. ಓದು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಓದ್ರಿ. One by one you can read, not all of you together. ಹೇಳು. Yes, can you give any example for this? Specific example ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು. Not give the class of compounds which act as electrophile. Give one specific example for electrophile. ಮತ್ತ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಅಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಕಾವ್ಯ. ದೀಕ್ಷಾ. 1 second. Students, please. Sorry to interrupt. I will come immediately. Only 1 minute time you give me, right? ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಹಲೋ, ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ? 1 minute ಅಪ್ಪಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗಿರ್ರಿ, ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ವಾಪಸ್. ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದೇನ್ರಿ? ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ. ಬರ್ದದಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ. ನೈಟ್ರೋಬೆನ್ಝೀನ್. ದೀಕ್ಷಾ, ಕಾವ್ಯ, ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ. ಗುಡ್. NO2. ಮತ್ತಾರು? Who else want to show? ಮತ್ತಾರು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು? ಕಾವ್ಯ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. I cannot see the screen. ಕಾವ್ಯ ತುರಾಯಿ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಂದು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ. ಒಬ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಬ್ರೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, NO2 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದಾ? ಎಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪ, ತೋರಿಸು. ಓಕೆ, ನೈಟ್ರೋಬೆನ್ಝೀನ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ತೋರಿಸಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ ತೃಪ್ತಿ, ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರೋ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಯಾರೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್. ಯಾರದು? ಯಾರು ತೋರಿಸ್ತವ್ರ? ಯಾರು? ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ. ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್. Good. Nitrobenzene. Okay. Now you know that what we have seen, benzene on, sorry, benzene on nitration gives nitrobenzene. Hodala? Correcta? Okay. So what about the nitrobenzene? If nitrobenzene is subjected for nitration, what you can expect the product? Can anybody can tell me? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು okay ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Just let us stop for that itself. Just I will explain. Now in today's class we are going to discuss about two types of electrophilic substitution reaction. First one is nitration and second one is sulfonation. And already I think about these reactions you have studied in PUC. Okay, so if you take the nitration, is the screen is visible? Can you see the screen? In the nitration, you can see here benzene plus concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated HNO3 is nothing but concentrated nitric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. We are going to call the mixture of these two acids as nitrating mixture. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇವಕ್ಕ? Mixture ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? Nitrating mixture. So nitrating mixture. Hello? Benzene is treated with nitrating mixture at temperature around 323 to 333 Kelvin to give nitrobenzene and water as the product. Okay, and here we are going to call this process as nitration. This process as nitration. And here in nitration what we can see is one of the hydrogen of the ring is replaced by nitro group, that is NO2. And for that sake, we are going to call this reaction as nitration reaction. This NO2 is generated by heating the mixture of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid at around temperature of 330 Kelvin, which is between 323 to 333. Okay. And this is the common reaction. What you can write it for nitration. All of you are getting the point? Hello? Hello? Okay. So, illi this replacement. Now, why we are calling this nitration as an electrophilic substitution reaction? We need to give justification for this. Here, what we can tell is one of the hydrogen of the ring. One of the hydrogen of the ring. How many hydrogens are there on the benzene ring? 6. Ellaru agree agtiri adike? There are 6. So out of 6, one hydrogen will be replaced by NO2. So here this NO2 comes out from HNO3 and H2SO4. Okay, and here NO2 acts as an electrophile. Is it correct? Correct, Henry? So NO2 attacks the benzene ring because benzene ring is rich with electron. It is a pi electron rich compound. All of you agree with this? Benzene ring is a pi electron rich compound. So what this NO2 will do? NO2 gets the electron from this benzene ring and gives this product which we call it as a nitrobenzene. Okay. All of you are getting the point. Hello, ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು, ಈ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. ನಾನೀಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಈ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಬರ್ಕೋತ್ರಿ? ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ? ಬರ್ಕೊ. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ? Over? Yes. So this is the first example of electrophilic substitution reaction with respect to benzene, and the name of this reaction is nitration reaction. Next one is we'll discuss about before we go for halogenation, we'll discuss about sulfonation. Okay, so sulfonation is also one of the type of electrophilic substitution reaction wherein we can see the replacement of one of the hydrogen of the benzene ring by sulfonic acid group. Sulfonic acid group is given by the formula SO3H, and we call this reaction as sulfonation reaction. And this reaction, it is usually carried out by heating the benzene with fuming sulfuric acid. Okay, fuming sulfuric acid and oleum. So here I will tell you the difference between both. Fuming sulfuric acid ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, oleum ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಅಂತ ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Fuming sulfuric acid ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ರೋಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, sulfuric acid. So that is a common sulfuric acid. Okay, and here if it is concentrated highly, then we are going to call that as oleum. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಲಿಯಂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಲ್ಫೋನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಲ್ಫ್ಯೂರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯೂಮಿಂಗ್ ಸಲ್ಫ್ಯೂರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಓಲಿಯಂ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಸಾರಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ benzene ring plus sulfuric acid H2SO4 and bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ SO3 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. SO3 it comes from oleum. Okay, H2SO4 is fuming sulfuric acid. ಎರಡನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And the electrophile is nothing, the electrophile for this reaction is SO3H group, which we call it as sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid group ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. That is going to attack one of the carbon and replace the hydrogen and giving benzene sulfonic acid along with the water, which is also one of the product. Okay, and already in the previous class we have discussed about the preparation of benzene from benzene sulfonic acid. Nodidri ilri alli C6H5SO3H. So this is the structure for benzene sulfonic acid. All of you are getting the point? Hello, hello, am I audible? Okay, barkori idan barkori. Write down this reaction also. Hello? Over? Okay. Which two reactions we have just now discussed? Yes. And we have, I think about this reaction also in PUC you might have heard, means you might have studied about this type of electrophilic substitution reaction. The common name given for this is halogenation. Halogenation is also one of the electrophilic substitution reaction wherein we can see the replacement of one of the hydrogen atom of the ring by an halogen atom. So halogen, you know that halogen may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine, and such replacement is called by the name halogenation. So here this halogenation reaction is particularly it takes place in presence of a catalyst, and this catalyst is commonly Lewis acid like anhydrous ferric chloride, ferric bromide or aluminum chloride. Okay, see, we will discuss about the catalyst which are commonly used, which is commonly used in nitration reaction and in sulfonation reaction, etc. But for halogenation, the common catalysts are Lewis acids. Tomorrow, I will give one more question for all of you. Just write down this question. What are Lewis acids? Give example. Is it possible to write? Hello? ಬರೀರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಾಳೆ ಮತ್ತೆ Okay, so if we take the common example, when benzene is treated with chlorine in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it is going to give this product which we call it as a chlorobenzene, and hydrogen chloride is the side product here, one more product which is obtained. So this process of chlorination comes under the reaction halogenation. This common name ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ chlorination. Electrophilic substitution reaction ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ we are going to call this as halogenation reaction. All of you are getting the point? Hello? Okay, write down this also. Okay? Hello? Hello? Okay. See, this halogenation type of electrophilic substitution reaction is given by another name. Okay, so the name we are going to give it from the famous two scientists name. We are going to call those two reactions as Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Another one is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So you can see the slide here. Along with the slide, the picture, can you see the picture here of this famous scientist or a person who is responsible for giving this reaction? His name is Friedel, okay, who is mainly responsible for this reaction. He has taken the example of benzene, and see, in this reaction, this is the reaction which he has given, that is when benzene is treated with alkyl halide in presence of this catalyst like anhydrous aluminum chloride, it gives this product which is called as alkyl benzene along with hydrogen chloride. That is also one of the product which is given out. Okay, and here it is the alkyl benzenes are named accordingly the groups which are attached to the benzene. In this example, since it is a ethyl group, we are going to name this as ethyl benzene. Since alkyl groups are attached to the benzene ring, he called this reaction as Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. He called this reaction as alkylation reaction, and it is named after these two scientists, Friedel and Kraft. So it is named as Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. And similarly, this is a one more reaction when benzene ring is treated with acyl halide. So what is difference between alkyl halide and acyl halide? Tomorrow you should tell. I will just tell here, when benzene ring is treated with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, we are going to get this product which is a ketone. We name this ketone as acetophenone along with HCl, that is hydrogen chloride, as one of the product. And this acetophenone we are going to call it as acyl benzene. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ acyl benzene ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. And accordingly the reaction is given the name Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ರು. So like this, these are some of the examples for electrophilic substitution reaction which you have already studied in your second PUC. Just I have given revision. It is a revising of electrophilic substitution reaction. So what we can do is, tomorrow we'll discuss about the general mechanism, and we'll try to discuss about the mechanism for all these types of reaction. Then we'll go for the substitution type. Got the thing clear? Hello? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ತಿಳಿತೈತಾ? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, just write down this reaction. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಯಾಕೋ ಇವ್ರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಚ್ಚುಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲನಾ ಲಿಂಕ್? ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ, ಬರ್ದ್ರಿ? ಬರೀರಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. Over? Aita? Okay. So I think for today's class this much is sufficient. So tomorrow I'll discuss the mechanism of general mechanism for electrophilic substitution reaction. Then we'll start writing the mechanism for all these: nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, particularly Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation reaction. Is it okay? Hello? Okay. If you have any doubt, you can discuss tomorrow. I have given one question for the homework, that is, what I have given? Acids. What are Lewis acids and give examples, right? ಓಕೆ ಸಿ ಆರ್ಗಳು ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಸ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟು ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನ್ರೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಟು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಅಟೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಒನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.